Welcome to Remitby, and in today's video we are going to talk about how easily you can actually set up a business bank account in Canada. Now let's say you've actually just incorporated your company or it's been a while and now you want to get a bank account started so you can start conducting business. So let's talk about how you can set it up and what are the different things that you might need to take care of. So number one is that across the board, irrespective of the bank that you're going to use, the process is going to be pretty similar, as well as the fee that they're going to charge you is also going to be pretty similar and competitive with each other. On an average, you might end up paying about $5 to $10 a month to actually run the account based on what kind of account that you've gone for. Now, what are different kinds of accounts that you can go for? Now, when it comes to business bank accounts, they're actually divided based on the way they are going to operate. So are you going to primarily operate in just Canadian dollars, or do you need some access to US dollars in your bank account as well? Are you going to actually interact through a non-profit bank account, or are you a non-profit that's looking to open a bank account? Things are going to be different. Are you actually going to just run the account digitally, or do you also need physical services that these banks provide? That's also going to change the amount that you pay as well as the features that you get with these bank accounts. Now, on an average, as I just mentioned, $5 to $10 is what you can expect to pay. The process to open up these bank accounts across the board is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You have two different options. One is you open the account online, and then you will have to actually go to a bank physically to verify your identity as well as your business's identity. If you're not opening online, this whole process can actually be done in a single visit. Opening an account online will take you on an average about 15 to 20 minutes if you are well versed with the terminology and everything and you know what you want, right? If not, they also actually have advisory features, so you can actually call up the bank. They have a very special number, an advisor number, who is a person who's going to actually help you open up the account. So it might not be a long wait time on that call, so that might also be an option that you might want to explore. Now, once you are set up online, you've put in all the details, you've set up an account, you will need to visit a branch with certain documents. Now, based on the bank, these are also going to be pretty similar across the board. So for an individual, so let's say I've opened a business bank account for my company, what I'll need to take along is either my Canadian passport, my Canadian driver's license, or my Canadian permanent resident card. Now, I can take either one of these and it will be fine. If you have more than one of Canadian government issued IDs, our suggestion is to take them all, just in case if the bank needs an extra document, it will save you an extra trip. On the business side, you'll also need to take some documents along. So that's articles of incorporation, a master business license, which is kind of a document that has the name of the owner, the business name, the address, the nature of the business, and all of those things. Additionally, any other business related documents that you might have submitted to the government while incorporating or gotten confirmation emails and confirmation documents after incorporating will work as well. Again, the same suggestion applies. Take all the documents that you can, so that in case, just in that slightest of cases that the bank needs an extra document, you don't have to travel there twice. And that's all. 15 to 20 minutes to set it up, maybe depending on how far you are from that branch or that specific bank's branch. Driving time, all of that will vary, but on an average 15-20 minutes to set it up, and maybe let's say an hour or so to get things going. And that's how simple it is to actually open a business bank account in Canada. If you have any specific questions regarding how a business owner can make their life easy, can save more money, work with people from across the globe, be it employees, vendors, or work across multiple currencies, so Canadian dollars as well as US dollars, make sure to leave a question below and we'd love to help you out in any case. So that wraps up our video for the day. We hope you liked the video and we hope this content in this video gave you some sort of value. If it did, do let us know in the comments below. This is Shivam from Remitby signing off. We'll see you guys next time.